Manitoba Construction Sector Council and Manitoba Environmental Industries Association programming is supported by funding provided by the Government of Canada and the Manitoba government.
Right now, what is happening in the community is there is a wastewater management and installation program that was implemented for women.
Turn it just a wee bit, yeah.
The ladies are really enjoying the program. They've attended regularly, so that's a sign of enthusiasm that they're really involved and they want to learn.
We're mostly training about pipes like ABS and all those other pipes and connecting T's and gluing pipes together and flaring. So it's very interesting.
Everybody ready to make some flares with their pipe? This is the second course put on. We put on an initial course in Cross Lake as a pilot. This is, we might consider our second pilot. Excellent group of students. Okay, you just gotta squeeze it together to get it in. Okay, and then the rest will tighten up when you put that on.
It's interesting. I'm learning as I go. I'll learn how to install my own pipes into my house. Yeah.
Okay, now you can turn that in.
Okay. I wanted to take this training course for the future because one day I'll have my own place for me and my son, and I'll know what to do with water installation and plumbing. Yeah, so this is what I want to do. And I always wanted to do this, and we need this for the community.
The other way. No, it only slides out one direction.
Well, we have a good time, but it's just like humor. You know, the way they call Indian humor.
Woo! Oh! So that's the outside valve, the curb stop.
I seen an ad on Facebook, so I decided to sign up for it. My experience about this program is pretty good. I learned a lot about pipes, fittings.
In the modules, it showed us how to do pipe cutting, like this. So it showed us how to cut and how to prep.
It's always good to take them to an actual site and show them where they can use the information they're learning. Example, this afternoon we're traveling to the water treatment plant, see where a lot of the materials and appurtenances like valves and pressure relief valves are being used, and show them how the materials they're learning about are used in the real world.
I'm really proud of them, and our community is really proud of them, and Chief and Council is proud of them.
You graduated!